Hey guys, this is Hadi from Norcal Outdoor. I'm going to replace this cigar plug here inside the console on Nissan Sentra. This is my son Nissan Sentra. Maybe he pushed this too hard, so now it's broken, it fell down. We need to take this off and replace it with the new one. I already got the part from Nissan. This is the new part. So I just arrived yesterday. Now I'm going to replace it. Alright, this is the new one. There's two parts. One is this frame, the lid, and this is the one that's connector and the housing. So the way they lock it here between this housing and this the lid here, you see there's inside here there's a small in here, the small pin here. There's the one that lock it. There's two of them, two sides, and the other one too. This is small one. So here, the one that in here. So if I insert it, this one, this is the hole, small hole here. This is the one that will lock this one, this housing here, this connector. So in order to take this off, because this one, my son here plug is already off, they already fall down. So I need to push this pin inside here, push it there, and both of them here on the same time, and then pull it. So I need to push the pin, both of this here. All right, let's do it. I'm sure it's easy to do it with the camera, but at least you get an idea how to pull it, right? These are the smallest screwdriver I have. So let's try one of them. Look like this one is a bit different. Not sure the different. Maybe bought it in the wrong year or something. So this one a bit different. See that? And I broke it. I pull it because this is kind of hard. Pull it too hard, so this one broken. This is okay. I'm going to replace it anyway because the this one has different housing. So yeah, that's it. That's off. Now it's another issue is just to pull the cable. I don't want to take this console off. I thought this was easier if I just take it from here. Now it's another issue to pull the cable. I probably going to use this tool. Just try to find the cable and pull it, but I don't want to get any short circuit, so I'm going to take the battery connector off, so make sure there's no short circuit. All right, I want to take the cable from inside here. Not sure how to pull the cable yet. I already unplugged the battery, so the battery is not connected, so it will not get any short circuit. There's a cable there. Another way I want to try is with this one. See, that's like from the paper clips. Let's see if this is working. It's hard with one hand. Let me put the camera and working with two hands, and I will put the camera back on again after I get the cable. Okay guys, finally here I got it. The same connector. Oops, sorry, same connector. So now it's just try to insert this. Okay, this is done now. Everything already put it as before, and this is working too. So hopefully this can help you to replace it, to install it if you get the same problem. And again, thanks for watching, and also please help me subscribe. Thank you for your support. Bye now.